you guys have a good time out here today? Again, you've got your option. I've got $100 to Autowash. Game tickets, signed merchandise in each of these bags. Got the signed bat, Adams kits. And our first ticket is 359643. Hey, we got a winner back here. It's a good call. He's taking the game ticket. Next winner, 359585. She's taking the bats. Our next winner, 359103. Oh, we got a winner. All right, that kills the Adams kits. And for those of you who hung out to the end, I have got a handful of $5 gift cards. So everybody else who's hanging out here holding the raffle ticket, come up, and until I run out of $5 gift cards, you're all getting one. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for coming out. That will be the conclusion of the show. We appreciate you. And remember, Autowash, because you love your car.